Good morning, students. Now we will start chapter 8, the cell. Cell is the basic structural and function unit of life, or we can say that cell is the smallest part of the body of an organism which is able to carry out all the basic functions like growth, metabolism, and reproduction. As cell is so small or so teeny that we cannot see seen with naked eye. So, first cell is discovered by a scientist named Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed a thin slice of cork under his microscope. Cork means the outer covering of tree, or we can say the bark. He taken a small piece of bark under a microscope and he noticed that cork has large number of small compartments, as you can see in the picture, or boxes joined together to form a honeycomb like structure, like that. And these boxes are empty from inside. The single box, which is called a cell. So in this way Robert Hooke discovers cell, and he also performed different other experiments, like he observes the onion peel under a microscope and a human cheek cell under a microscope. So the human cheek cell under microscope is look like that. Robert Hooke observes that the each cheek cell is polygon or irregular in shape. So you can see that the shape is irregular here, and the cell has a darkly strained nucleus in the center. Whereas when he observed the onion cell under a microscope, he observed that brick-shaped cells are seen lying side by side. Each cell has a darkly strained cell wall. So by performing different experiments, Robert Hooke knows that each and every have each and every organism have different shells and different shapes. So you can see that here some human cells are present which have different shapes. First is neuron, or we can say that nervous cell. Nerve cells are quite long and branched at their ends. You can see the branching at the end and it is quite long. Similarly, red blood cells are oval in shape, white blood cells spherical. These are intestinal cells, bone cells, sperm cells, ovum, and muscle cells also, which are spindle shape and pointed at the end. So from here we see that different cells have different shape and different size. Similarly, they perform different functions also. You can see here in this picture that nerve cells, which are branched at the end, are present in our brain. They help to connect each and every part in our brain. Cardiac cells, which are present in our heart. Muscle cells present in our muscles, in our hand and in our legs. Intestinal cells, which are present in our small intestine and large intestine. Liver cells are present in liver. So he observes that different cells have different shape and they perform different function.